How to fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On this video, we will discuss 3 such ways to fix this issue. So for the first one, open your Google Chrome. Now click on the 3 dots and go to the settings, which is on the top right corner. After that, click on privacy and security. Now you can tap on clear browsing data, which is the first option, or you can also visit the site setting and make some changes. Now from both the basic and advanced, you need to clear the data, which includes cache as well as the other data. Once this is done, you can close your Chrome and open again. This should fix the issue. Moving on to the second solution, for that you need to open command prompt. For that, on the search bar type in cmd, but make sure to run it as administrator. Once you have opened, there are 2 commands that you need to use. The first one is ipconfig/+DNS and the second one is netsh windshock reset. After this, you can try to open Google Chrome again. For the third solution, open View Network Connections. After that, right-click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and go to its properties. After that, from the list, select on the 4th option which says Internet Protocol version 4. Then after, tap on Properties. Now select the second option which says use the following DNS server. Now use 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS you can put in 8.8.4.4. Or you could also use Google or Cloudflare, any of the DNS server. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.